To understand where the term FOIL came from, we simply need to understand the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This just means that if I have the quantity A plus B all times C, that I have to distribute this multiply by C into both terms of the parentheses, or of the quantity, like this, A, C plus B, C. Okay. Now, to do FOIL, what I need to do is replace this multiply by C with multiply by another quantity. For example, A plus B times quantity A plus B times the quantity C plus D. Okay. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with this quantity C plus D as I did with the C. I'm going to distribute the entire quantity into the first quantity. So I'm going to get A times C, quantity C plus D, plus B times the quantity C plus D. Okay, now it's a really simple matter to distribute the A and the B into their respective quantities. So I get A plus AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And this is where the acronym FOIL comes from. Okay, remember that FOIL means first, outside, inside, and last. Okay, and we can see here that the first multiply of our result is the multiply of the two first terms of our quantities. The second multiply of the result is the multiply of the two outside terms of our quantities. The third multiply of the result is the multiply of the two inside terms of our quantities, and the last multiply of our result is the multiply of the two last quantities of the two last terms of our quantities. Okay. The problem with using FOIL is that it limits us. It only applies to the multiply of two quantities, and each quantity can only have two terms in them. Okay, we need to be able to apply this to larger situations. For example, what if I want to multiply the quantity A plus B plus C times the quantity D plus E plus F? Well, if I remember that FOIL is just a shortcut to remember this process of repeated distribution, then this becomes pretty simple. I'm going to take this second quantity here and distribute the entire quantity into the first like this. A times the quantity D plus E plus F plus B times the quantity D plus E plus F plus C times the quantity D plus E plus F. Okay, that's the first distribution. Now I'm going to distribute the A and the B and the C into their respective quantities, like this. AD plus AE plus AF, AF plus BD plus BE plus BF plus CD plus CE plus CF. Okay. This simple process can be used to multiply any number of quantities of any size. Just keep distributing one quantity into another quantity until you get down to no quantities left.